In this video, we will learn the various functions and information available on the pipeline's website. There is a public and a subscriber-only side to the site. Here we see the Central Maryland Development Tracker, which is open to the general public. This page allows you to see every property that has been or will be reviewed by Baltimore's BMZA, CHAP, UDAP, and the Planning Commission. By using the drop-down menu, you can filter projects by upcoming, within the last 1, 3, or 6 months, or the past year to date. Using the interactive map, you can zoom in and out of specific neighborhoods to find projects and where recent activity is taking place. Click on a project icon you are interested in. A pop-up window will appear with the project's name, review date, and the agency conducting the review. This information is also displayed on the scrolling list on the right-hand side of the screen. We will now take a look at the subscriber-only side of the site. By clicking the Pipeline tab, it takes you to the subscriber-only side of the site. Here, you have access to projects that the pipeline team has identified as major projects. As with the free side, the map function allows you to see where clusters of development are taking place. There are 6 scrolling menus at the top of the screen that you can filter the major projects with. Building type, source of information, all project types or use, architects, developer, or property owner. Use the drop-down menu to filter projects that have been updated or announced within the past year, 6 months, 3 months, or 1 month. As with the free side, there is a scrollable list on the right-hand side that details each major project. You may also download the project list with a PDF or Excel file using these download links. Click the Subscribe tab in order to gain access to the pipeline by filling out this online form. Select the About Us tab for more information about the pipeline's mission and operations. Thank you for using the pipeline.